Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tandy. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. Before we get started, I want you guys to make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Make sure that you have my post notifications turned on so that you can be notified of my future uploads. So today I am bringing you guys 7 brushes that have helped me create this look right here. You know, this is a very everyday kind of go-to makeup look. A lot of times when we see these makeup tutorials, I know I'm guilty of it myself, we as the artist, you know, the creator in these videos, we're using a lot of different tools, and I figured why not actually show you guys the best tools to create the most flawless face. These brushes are really super affordable. Even though this is a full face of Chanel, I only use affordable brushes. So if you want to know which brushes those are, just keep on watching. To start off, I just want to say that on my lids, there's no eyeshadow, so this video is going to be specifically for face brushes. I'm going to break down the step-by-step process over here in this section so that you guys can also see me actually doing the work with the brushes. I think that that might be a little bit more beneficial to you guys. If you do like how this is going, just leave a comment down below. To start off with the face, I usually start off with my concealer first. The concealer that I am using is the Corrector de Chanel in shade 30 Beige, and I just apply that with a wand. If you watched my how to contour and sculpt your face video, then you already know where I'm going to highlight. To blend out everything, I always start away from the eyes. I leave the eyes sitting there. I feel like that gives me better longevity in the wear of my concealer. I start on inner areas like down here before I do my eyes. I use this brush, and this brush actually came in an Ipsy bag. Ipsy is only $10 a month, you guys, and they send you all types of brushes, makeup, skincare. Like, they just send you a lot of different samples, and sometimes full-size products like this. I actually think it came in my sister's bag. For some reason she gets a lot more brushes than I do, but she doesn't use brushes to do her makeup. Yeah, she doesn't use them, so typically I get them from her, which I'm not complaining. This brush is by Vasanti Cosmetics. This is the Concealer Buffer Brush. When you get to blending your face, you want to make sure that your brushes for the face are fluffy. The fluffier the brush, the better blending ability it should have. So for this one, there's a lot of bristles packed in there. However, the bristles aren't densely packed. With me going like this, you can see that, you know, there's good movement for blending. So you know it's going to be able to move that product around really good. Buff away in circular motions, just like this. Don't be too harsh. Always try to hold your brush down further towards the end of the brush, because this is going to give you the lightest application with your hand. The higher you are up on your brush up here, you're going to apply a lot more pressure, and you may or may not get the desired blend that you want. So always keep that in mind. After that, I go in with my setting powder. You guys want to know a little secret? I actually use this. This is a tool, but it is not a brush. This is a blending sponge by Real Techniques. And I usually just wet this and use this to apply my setting powder. So for this tutorial, I'm actually using my Chanel powder foundation, and this is the Le Tint Ultra powder foundation. This foundation actually has SPF in it. It has sunscreen of 15. To apply my foundation, I am using this Real Techniques brush. You can find Real Technique brushes at Walmart, Target, Ulta, online, of course, Amazon. So you can really find these brushes literally almost anywhere where you can buy beauty products. These brushes are super good and affordable. They're very, very durable. These brushes will last you forever. This is the multitasking brush, and as you can see, it is very fluffy. So it's going to make for blending and putting on that foundation really, really easy. I love this brush. Then for any kind of like bronzer, contour product, I love to use an angled brush like this. This angled brush is actually an e.l.f. brush that I just bedazzled because I'm extra, y'all know this. This kind of angle right here is really good at getting like those sides right here, as well as keeping that good chiseled line that you see right here. Now if I want more of a snatchuation with my nose contour, instead of using this brush, I will actually go ahead and use this smaller angled brush, and this is the Luxie 207 medium angled brush, and this angle right here is really good at helping get, you know, inside here. It's really good at blending like these areas right here. And again, the same thing applies. You want to make sure that you are using the outside of the brush in order to have the most control of your blending. Like, I don't want to blend at the top of the brush, because if I blend holding the brush at the top part right here near the neck of the brush, it's just going to be a lot of product placed and packed in one area, and it's going to take forever to blend it out. You want everything to be kind of seamless. Luxie Beauty, you can get these brushes online. I don't know of any store that you can buy Luxie Beauty brushes from. If you know of one, leave it down in the comments below. It'll help me out as well as help, you know, our sisters out here. If I have to do anything with my brows, I typically use this brush. I really try to use brow products that have a spoolie on the end of them. Sometimes that doesn't always work, but I always have this brush with me. Personally, I am more of a pencil user, so I like to just use this just to buff in my eyebrows, and then I use this to kind of clean up underneath my brows and around my brows. It's just a multi-purpose tool, so you know, you need it. You need it, sis. You can go to the beauty supply store and get this brush probably for like $3. For my blush, as well as more blending around my contoured areas, I use this Sonia Kashuk brush, and this is a very fluffy dome-shaped brush. I love it. She's been through a lot. She used to have flowers on her. You can't even see that anymore. But I just haven't found a replacement for this. Like, I have similar brushes like it, but not one exactly like this. You can actually get these at Target. I forget how much it was because it did come in a gift set one year. But yeah, they're at Target. So if you're in Target, definitely stop and get you some Sonia Kashuk brushes, because she makes some really good brushes. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is 6 brushes. The last brush that I have used for this look is this fan highlight brush. I love a good fan brush for applying highlight. It just does it for me. Now this brush actually came in an Ipsy bag. This is those Moda brushes. You know, you can get these at Walmart. Like, I'm pretty sure, sis, that you can get this brush at Walmart. So you don't need to have a whole lot. You don't need to go out and spend crazy amounts of money on a ton of brushes. Although I always say you can never have too many tools to perfect your craft. But I hope that what you guys can take away from this video is that you don't need a lot of different tools to create a beautiful face, especially because 9 times out of 10 you're probably already beautiful inside. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you found it helpful. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button so that you are notified of my future uploads, and share this video with your friends. You know, maybe somebody else can benefit from this as well. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.